video number 31. So the MRP of this box is 2030 rupees, 2030. But all things you are getting this silicone mold, and this is new, and some stencils you are getting this 4x8 stencil. You are getting one mandala stencil. It's totally new and it's very good, resin one. And you are getting this box also. You can make some boxes or whatever. You are getting one lace mold, इसमें bells बने हुए हैं. And you are getting this silicone mold, rose one. You are getting this this is the silicone mold 123 is written. And you are getting this pearl string in golden color. So the MRP of this box is 2030, and after discount I am giving for 1000 rupees free shipping. I hope this is clear. And there was one confusion: when you are sending the orders, please send the YouTube link, so or any video link, so that I can check for the cross checking, because because we are not going to replace nothing, no refundable, no exchange, कुछ भी नहीं होगा. Thank you.